Hi, my name is AJ Owens, and my element is plutonium. Plutonium is a member of the actinide group in the periodic table, and the symbol is Pu. The atomic number is 94, and plutonium's atoms have 94 electrons, 94 protons, with 2 valence electrons in the outer shell. There are 150 neutrons in the most abundant isotope. It's silvery, gray, hard, and brittle. This shows the actinide group in the periodic table. All forms are radioactive and decay to other elements over time. Most isotopes decay to uranium. Plutonium was discovered in the year 1934. It was first produced and isolated in 1940. It was identified in 1941 by the scientists Dr. Glenn T. Seaborg, Edwin M. McMillan, J. W. Kennedy, and A. C. Wall. Plutonium, when it was being discovered, was the same time scientists thought there was a new planet being discovered named Pluto. Dr. Glenn T. Seaborg decided to call the element plutonium. Plutonium is an extremely rare element in the Earth's crust. It is so rare that for many years it was thought that it didn't occur naturally. The main source of plutonium is from the use of uranium-239 in nuclear reactors. Large amounts are produced each year. Plutonium-239 is one of the main fissile elements. Fissile means that it can sustain a chain reaction of nuclear fission. This characteristic is important in nuclear reactors and nuclear explosives. Plutonium is used in nuclear reactors and nuclear weapons. It was used to create the second nuclear weapon used in World War II. It was called the Fat Man nuclear bomb and was dropped on Nagasaki, Japan. Plutonium has also been used as a power and heat source for spacecraft. It was used on the Voyager and Pioneer space probes, as well as the Pathfinder Mars robot lander on the Curiosity Mars rover. Plutonium does not exist in nature and has no known stable isotopes. The longest-lived isotope in plutonium-244, which has half-life of over just 80 million years. Isotopes and compounds of plutonium are accumulate in bone marrow. There are high possibilities of a person getting lung cancer if he inhales plutonium dust. There is a huge risk of lung cancer if the radiation from plutonium is inhaled. Children that have played on the beach near a plutonium fabrication plant are more likely to suffer from a childhood leukemia. Plutonium is highly flammable when exposed to moist air. It forms oxides and hydrides that make it expand in volume by more than half, and then flake off in the powdery form. This powder has the property of spontaneously igniting if left as it is, and so metallic plutonium is highly flammable. Its flammability increases if it is finally divided and then exposed to moisture, as there is more surface area. Plutonium is a purely synthetic element. Every element in the periodic table after uranium is a man-made chemical element, which does not exist naturally on the Earth.